Ay, picture lang to. Wala tong ano. Hi guys. Init na. Me waiting here outside. Oh, no, not outside. It's under the tree. Yeah, waiting for ballers. Too hot now. Maybe she's coming around 10 minutes more. Yeah. Yeah, that blue. You can see that blue building? Like, yeah, this one. Yeah, that one. That is her school. Yeah, before Rosalie is also there, but now she's there in the province. Far away. Yeah. And my school is there. Around maybe 2 kilometers. Yeah. So I'm driving, waiting here. Their home time is 1:30. My home time is 1 o'clock. So I'm waiting around 30 minutes. But not here. I just arrived. Yeah. See you soon. So you can see that. Birds. Kalapate. Yeah. Pigeon. Yes. Where is she? Oh my god. It's very hot. The temperature today is, I don't see. It's too dusty. My god, where is she? She's coming. Yeah, see? Walking very slowly under the sun. Oh, yeah? Very slow. Oh, she's coming. Oh, see? Birds flying away from her. Yeah? See, very slow. Yeah, it's like under the... Oh, okay guys. Andyan na siya. We're going na. Bye. See you soon.